Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm diving into something that caught my attention recently, and I think it might be a game changer for anyone creating content online. Whether you're a freelancer, a business owner, or just someone trying to grow a personal brand, this might be something worth checking out. It's called Ghiblli, and it claims to be the first AI-powered art-style content studio. Sounds pretty cool, right? But let's break down what it actually is, how it works, and whether or not it lives up to the hype. So, here's the deal. If you've ever spent hours creating a social media post, from the visuals to the captions to the hashtags, just hoping that this one will finally go viral, you know the pain. You hit post, wait for the magic to happen, and then nothing. Maybe a handful of likes, no real engagement, and once again your ad budget feels like it just vanished into thin air. We've all been there. That's where Ghiblli says it flips the script. What makes Ghiblli different is that it's not just another image editor or video tool. It's built to instantly create emotional, scroll-stopping visuals that tell a story and actually make people stop and pay attention. And the wild part? It does it in literally a few clicks. No fancy design skills required, no need to hire a team, and no spending hours trying to make something look good enough to post. You start by either uploading a photo or typing in a keyword. That's it. Then you pick from more than 50 different Ghiblli-style effects, all of them very animated, very eye-catching, and kind of magical in a way that makes your content feel like it jumped straight out of a high-end studio. And then, boom, the platform turns it into a piece of content that's ready to post. You can make static images, animated shorts, or even turn them into reels and ads with motion and audio. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Ghiblli doesn't just give you visuals for fun. It's made for selling. Everything is built with performance in mind, so whether you're promoting a product, building your brand, or offering a service, the idea is to create visuals that not only look good, but convert. And with all the noise on social media these days, having something that can actually stand out is honestly kind of a relief. I tested it out myself and was pretty surprised by how easy it was to use. I'm not a professional designer by any means, but in a few clicks, I had a few posts that looked like they came out of a full-blown creative agency. And I didn't need any complicated tools or editing software. Just my laptop, a couple of images, and some curiosity. Ghiblli also seems like a solid opportunity for people who want to monetize their creativity. You can actually sell Ghiblli-style content as a service. Think reels for small businesses, animated posts for influencers, even short ad-style videos for clients. You could run it as a subscription model, offer packages, or just build your own content empire around it. It's kind of like Canva meets Pixar with a touch of AI automation, which honestly feels like the future. And here's something else to keep in mind. Ghiblli doesn't work on a monthly subscription, at least not during the launch phase. It's a one-time payment for lifetime access, and you get all the features up front. No locked tools, no weird limits, just full access. That's actually kind of rare with creative platforms these days, where it feels like you're constantly being asked to upgrade. Of course, no tool is perfect. I think some people might feel limited by the number of styles if they're using it constantly for the same kind of content. But for what it's designed to do, create stunning, emotional, engaging visuals quickly, it does a really solid job. And if you're just starting out or trying to level up your content without burning out, it could be a powerful addition to your toolkit. So yeah, if you're tired of seeing your content flop, or you want to start offering something unique as a creative service, Ghiblli might be worth exploring. I had fun testing it out, and I think it has a lot of potential, especially as more brands and creators look for ways to stand out without spending a fortune. That's it for today's video. If you've tried Ghiblli already or have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell if you want more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.